Ito, meron tayong mga Reddit stories. Ito, my whole family humiliated me for choosing computer science.
What?
Bakit? Okay,
Bakit?
ikaw.
Ayan. Hello, I'm an incoming college student. Gusto ko talaga mag-pursue ng computer science since passion ko talaga mag-code. Ever since I was young, I was praised by the whole barangays and my family for being smart. I was consistent honor student kasi and being good at art, and they would assume that I would pick any medical engineering programs in college. Then suddenly nagulat ang family members ko when they knew na I will be pursuing computer science, and lahat sila nagalit kung bakit yan yung pinili ko. Kung ano-ano lang sinasabi nila na pangit raw yung course ng computer science, even saying nonsense things like wala raw mararating sa kurso na yan. Si ano nga nag-comp-sci pero wala na siya ngayon, wala. I tried to convince them that the course is not what they expected dahil gusto raw nila ako mag-pursue ng engineering at nursing kasi ayaw daw nila mapahiya na may family member na nag-pursue ng computer science. And this is the part na nalaman ko na alam pala ng buong kapitbahay ko sa pipiliin ko na course at pinagtatawanan pa ako as my grandmother said. Suddenly, my family threatened me na hindi nila ako susuportahan kung yan ang pipiliin ko. I don't have enough supplies kasi especially laptops and PCs for this course. That's why nagdadalawang isip ako. They offered me to pursue it instead and it left me off guard kasi bakit naman nila sasabihin na pangit ang comp-sci as a course if medyo pareho lang naman ang IT and ang comp-sci when in terms of learnings. Mas malaki lang nga ang job opportunity sa computer science compared to IT. I tried to tell them about this but ayaw nila makinig. I really don't understand kung anong grudge nila including this barangay about computer science. What's so bad about computer science than IT? I would understand my family, but it will forever shock me that the people in this barangay hates computer science but loved it. Huh?
But loved IT.
But loved IT. Lagi yung yun. Ang toxic kasi porket someone pursued medical or engineering courses as successful na sa buhay, while those people who pursued computer science is being labeled as wala sa buhay or walang mararating sa buhay. Okay, this is very common to family house.
At nakakatawa na yung pati yung buong barangay nakisali sa usapan yung pamilya.
Tsaka computer science is a really good course and it pays really big, especially abroad. And guys, like nursing dito sa Philippines, it pays really small. So parang I don't think why people, super underpaid talaga ng mga nursing, which dapat hindi. Okay.
Ako,
Pero,
para sa akin, feeling ko yung family niya hindi na alam kung ano na yung
in
in ngayon.
nowadays, yeah. Hindi sila knowledgeable. Oo. And also, why do families tend to do that? Na parang they try to control.
Gets ko naman na parang, kasi naalala ko dati nung bata ako, pag mga ganyang course, may mga inside joke talaga kami na, trip mo talaga mag-ayos ng computer. Ganon. Yung parang mga ganon na, alam mo yung pa-joke lang, pero hindi pala namin, ngayon ko lang naisip na, yung mga gino-joke pala namin dati, siguro parang na-hurt sila.
Triggered ako dito talaga sa ano na to.
Oo.
Kasi parang, bakit ba kayo nagko-control? Ba't hindi nyo na lang supportahan? Like, why are some families so not knowledgeable about things in life nowadays? And, di ba nandiyan naman tayo as a family to support our members. Yun naman talaga yun not to like, again, bakit nyo ba siya dinidirekta? Kasi, gagawin nyo siyang investment of some sort. Yung parang mga ganyang bagay.
Tsaka ako,
Diba?
nasasad ako dun sa part na threaten siya ng family niya na ika-cut off yung support. Like,
Very
ang sad ng part
toxic.
na yun.
Like, really toxic. Like, it just blows my mind how some family members are like that. Especially like parents. Like, I don't get it.
Pero kasi, hindi din natin masabi kasi malay mo yung parents niya is alam mo yung mga parents na galing province. Kasi nagkwento sa akin yung mom ko na dati daw sa province. Yung parents daw talaga nagde-decide kung anong course na iti-take nila. Gets mo? Parang wala silang, like yung mom ko, gusto naman niya parang accountant ata. Pero pinilit siya na sa nurse. So parang baka nanggaling din yung family doon.
Well, I do understand where maybe I do understand where the family is coming from, but I am just triggered sa part na is this still going on papala, hanggang ngayon
Oo,
papala.
yun
Yun
nga
lang
eh.
yung
Yun.
thought na yun. Parang gets naman natin yung old school thought, pero okay, triggered lang ako kasi nangyayari pa pala.
Parang may
Like,
ganyan pa
parang-
pala.
Oo, dun lang naman yun. Oo, which is, sana naman, hindi na ganon. So, parang message ko lang din sa mga nanonood, no, na parang ka-generation natin. Sana we don't do this na in the
Yeah.
future pa. Sana
Yeah.
we advocate for, freedom of choice din sa mga future children natin. And let's just like be happy for them. Kasi, lagi nating tandaan that when we're doing something that we truly love, we really bloom. And
Yeah.
once we bloom, talagang dyan dumadating yung mga good opportunities talaga. Oo, may mga iba nga na, let's say, ako, graduate ako ng nursing. O bakit nag-pursue ba talaga ako ng nursing? Hindi naman eh. Nandito ako sa pag-aartista because this is where I truly love being in and see how it's gone, how it's, led me so far,
Yeah.
which are good things. And see, well, ganun din yung parents ko. I mean, they supported me. Pero binabala talaga nila ako na parang, that's what you want, go for it, we're gonna be here, pero we want you to learn and to grow talaga from your decision.